Are you eating a super clean diet, drinking tons of water, and using expensive skincare? Yet your skin still looks tired, dull, and completely lifeless. You are doing everything right on paper, so why isn't your skin glowing? The truth might shock you. Ancient Ayurvedic science reveals that eating healthy food alone is never enough to preserve your skin's inner radiance. If a hidden process deep inside your skin is shut down, even the most expensive diet on earth won't make a difference. Thousands of years ago, Ayurvedic scholars discovered a fascinating secret about human skin. Deep inside your pores lie tiny sebaceous glands, responsible for maintaining your skin's natural moisture barrier and inner fluid channels. Think of it like a tree. You can pour water on the roots all day long, but if the internal channels feeding the leaves are blocked or dried up, the leaves will still wither and fade. When these delicate skin glands dry out, all those rich nutrients from your diet simply cannot reach the surface of your skin. As a result, your natural complexion loses its vitality and glow. So, how do you fix a problem that sits beneath the surface? The answer lies in an extraordinary ancient herb known as Jatamansi, or Spikenard. Jatamansi has a remarkable ability to revive dried-up pores and reactivate your skin's natural fluid channels. Here is the simple, powerful home remedy. Take Jatamansi paste or finely ground powder mixed with a little water to form a smooth mixture. Apply it evenly across your face and body, just like a traditional botanical mask. Leave it on for about 30 minutes until it dries completely. Once dry, splash a small amount of water to lightly moisten the paste, then gently scrub it off using soft, circular motions. Finally, rinse your skin thoroughly with lukewarm water. This gentle scrubbing action lifts away dead skin cells, while the warmth of the water helps open up and revive those inactive sebaceous glands. Your skin's natural nourishment channels are restored, allowing your inner glow and firmness to return. For the best results, use this treatment 3 days a week for 2 weeks. You should begin to notice a visible transformation in your skin's texture and radiance within that time frame. If needed, you can continue using it a little longer until your desired skin vitality is fully restored. Trust in this ancient natural wisdom, because true radiance starts from within. Thanks for hanging out today. Take care, and see you guys soon.